In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Obsidian, mistakenly deleting files. Open your Obsidian app. In this walkthrough, there are sample notes visible on the left sidebar, and that is where the notes for the tutorial are shown. Start by checking the deletion settings, because this controls what happens when a note gets deleted. Click the settings gear icon in the bottom left corner of the sidebar. When the settings window opens, go to the left side menu and click Files and Links. In this section, find the Deleted Files dropdown. This setting controls where deleted notes go. By default, it is usually set to System Trash. Open that dropdown so you can see the available choices. There are 3 options here. System Trash sends deleted files to your operating system recycle bin or trash. Move to Obsidian Trash keeps deleted files inside your vault in a hidden .trash folder. Permanently delete removes files with no recovery option. This section is important because it determines whether a deleted note can be recovered later. Now move on to recovering a deleted file from the system trash. Close the settings panel by clicking the X in the top right corner. Next, open your operating system recycle bin on Windows or trash on Mac. You can open it from the desktop or from the taskbar or dock depending on where it is available on your computer. Once the recycle bin or trash is open, look through the deleted files and find the note you want to recover. In this tutorial, the file is called meetingnotes.md. Make sure you locate that exact note file in the list. When you find it, right-click the file and choose Restore on Windows. On Mac, drag the file back into your Vault folder. This returns the file to the original Vault location. Go back to Obsidian. As soon as the file is back inside the Vault folder, the restored note will automatically reappear in the Obsidian sidebar. You do not need to recreate the note manually. Obsidian detects the file once it is restored to the Vault. Next, restore a previous version using file recovery snapshots. Switch back to Obsidian if you are not already there. In the left sidebar, click the note named Project Plan to open it. With that note open, launch the command palette. On Windows, press Ctrl+P. On Mac, press Command+P. In the command palette search field, type File Recovery slowly so the command can appear on screen. Type File, then a space, then Recovery. When the matching command appears, click File Recovery, then open Local History. A panel will open showing saved snapshots for the current note. These snapshots are listed by date and time, so you can move through older and newer versions of the note. Click any snapshot in the list to open the diff view. This view shows what changed between that saved version and the current version of the note. If you want the older content without immediately replacing the current note, click Copy. That copies the older version to your clipboard. If you want to replace the current note with that snapshot, click Restore. That will overwrite the current note with the selected saved version. This file recovery feature automatically saves snapshots of your notes while you work. By default, it saves every 5 minutes and keeps that history for 7 days. Now change the deletion setting to Obsidian Trash. Click the Settings gear icon again in the bottom left corner of the sidebar. In the left Settings menu, click Files and Links. Click the Deleted Files dropdown, then choose Move to Obsidian Trash .trash folder. This setting keeps deleted files inside your vault in a hidden folder instead of sending them to the system recycle bin. That means the deleted files stay with the vault itself. Next, configure the File Recovery plugin for better protection. While still in Settings, click Core Plugins in the left Settings menu. Scroll down until you find File Recovery. Check that the toggle is turned on. It is on by default, but confirm that it is enabled here. Then click the gear icon next to File Recovery to open its settings. In the File Recovery settings, look at Snapshot Interval. The default is every 5 minutes. Lower that value if you want snapshots saved more often. Then check History Length. The default is 7 days. Increase that value if you want snapshots kept for a longer period. After those settings are adjusted, close Settings. At this point, your vault is configured so deleted files go to the Obsidian Trash instead of the system recycle bin, and File Recovery is saving snapshots of your notes. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If a file is accidentally deleted later, you can recover it from the .trash folder inside your Vault directory, or restore an earlier version through the File Recovery command. Congratulations!